TransDiesel has the ability to supply generators from small petrol right through to very large diesel as we have here. We are project managing the complete installation of the generators, the attenuation, the exhaust system and the fuel supply and tank. So basically a one-stop shop from TransDiesel. I feel really happy actually because today has been a few weeks coming. We had to transport two 1800 kVA generators that we had stored on site here to this building. I was a little bit worried in the morning when we only had one truck. We were constrained with height, so we had to re-evaluate and get another solution and involve two trucks, so that took a little bit of time. We also had a 90-ton crane to lift them. We didn't lose any time overall because although we were a little bit delayed at the beginning, we actually made up time with the crane lift and getting them into the building. Kohler is a worldwide brand. This particular engine they've been developing for a number of years. It's more efficient on burning fuel, it's better at the particulate levels that go out, so it's better combustion, and it also has less nitrous outputs, which is a byproduct of burning obviously diesel. So the idea is to make it as environmentally friendly as you possibly can and reduce the impact that it has. These two generators are the first two in the South Island to have that new engine. We're very happy so far. It's all on schedule and it's going according to plan. We do basically anything that requires standby generation, and that can be because they need to operate 24/7, or it could just purely be for health and safety perspective. As TransDiesel, I think we have a lot to offer. We're a very strong player in this market. I estimated we'd be done by 12 o'clock, and I think it was 12:02 when we finished, so I think we were pretty much on schedule at the end of the day. Projects like this that we can deliver on time, on budget, and meet the needs of the customer without any hassle for anyone involved, I think that'll just continue to make us stronger.